episode of A Journey with Joanna Marie, where passion and fashion lead to your ultimate success. I'm your host, Joanna Marie, and today we have another, alam niyo na po to, fantabulous human being to join us in this episode. She is a dear friend of mine, and we talk a lot about so many things. But what I love about the conversations, it's always focused more on the growth, especially self-growth and self-love. She really has a very inspiring story from her personal life, even, or most importantly, in her business life. Matutuwa po kayo na matuto sa kanya kasi talagang this person, this woman, she is an epitome of women power. Especially right now, di ba? Women's Month ngayon. Excited ka na ba na matuto sa kanya? So without further ado, let's call her in. Welcome to the show, Lai.
Hello, Joanna. Thank you so much for inviting me here. I'm so excited for today.
I'm so excited also, lalo na para sa mga audience or sa mga viewers natin. Kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, diba, I always love the story every time na sinishare mo yan sa akin. So I'm sure, lahat ng mga magiging viewers natin from this episode, they are going to be empowered and motivated by you. Thank you also for saying yes to our invitation.
My pleasure.
Okay. So, Lai, can you please share a little something about you para naman makilala ka ng mga viewers natin?
I'm the CEO of Stardust Garden and also I'm the student of life. I took a lot of personal development trainings. Currently, I am taking coaching certification. And I also joined BNI, and on top of that, I'm writing my book.
Wow! Malapit ka na maging author!
Yes!
Something new yun hindi ko alam. Congratulations!
I'm so excited for that.
Yeah, I'm excited for you. I'm sure pag lumabas yung libro mo, mas maraming tao talaga yung ma-empower mo with your wonderful story. So let's talk about a little bit about Stardust Garden.
Yes.
I've been to your house and oh my gosh, sobrang ganda po ng bahay nila. Lalo na yung landscaping dun sa garden. Talagang parang ayaw mo na sanang umalis. Kaya lang bisita ka lang eh. Hindi ka pwedeng tumira dun for a very long time. So, let's talk about Stardust Garden. Ano yung naging motivation ninyong mag-asawa for doing such a business? And also kasi Stardust Garden po, they do landscaping and they sell a lot of plants. Even the rarest of the rarest plants po, kung kakailanganin po ninyo, siya na po yung kukontakin ninyo. So, let's talk about it. Can you share a bit something about Stardust Garden?
So, yeah. Husband ko yung nag-start noon, si Sardo. Nickname niya, Sardo. So, kaya Stardust Garden yan. And then, nag-join na lang ako sa kanya, siguro 1 year after because I was employed that time. Tapos, nagkakapera ako every 15th and 30th lang. Tapos, si husband ko, lagi naman siyang may benta kasi maraming bili doon. Tapos, wala siyang boss. Di ba? Tapos, hindi rin siya maaga umaalis. Unlike me, na ang aga ko umaalis, gabi ako dumadating, ang dami kong boss, pagod lagi. Tapos, lagi namang walang pera. So, ayun, nag-join na lang ako sa business. And then, ang background ko naman is information technology. So, ginamit ko yung skill ko to market our business sa internet. So, that time, parang ako yung first na maghahalaman na mayroong website or mayroon sa internet.
And this was 20 years ago?
Yes, 2004, 2005.
Oh, imagine, at the time, hindi pa, alam mo yung people are not into talaga website. Alam mo yan, we're not really into, Google mo nga yan, i-chat mo nga sa Facebook yan.
Wala pang Google yata dati, no? So, actually, yung mga katabi namin maghahalaman doon, nagtataka sila, bakit ako may laptop? Anong ginagawa?
Nagbabantay na halaman pero naka-laptop. Okay.
Kasi that time, doon kami nakakuha ng clients through internet. So, hindi pa nila alam yon.
Ang galing, no? Na nagawa mo kagad i-apply kung ano yung innate na talent na meron ka. And then, na lumaki lalo yung business ninyo. Because when you apply everything that you know, right? So, Lai, let me ask you, how was the transition from being an employee to entrepreneurship? Kasi we are in this space na talaga lahat ng nasa paligid natin, they have their own business, just like you, business owners. And yung mga attendees natin sa Loros Enterprises, ang dami nating nami-meet doon. And most of the time, pag nagkukwentuhan talaga kami, napag-uusapan, was the transition smooth sailing? At I think 9 out of 10 would always respond sa akin na, no, never naging easy. Just like po kami sa Loros Enterprises because I used to be an employee as well. So how was it for you?
Hindi talaga madali. Kasi naging uncertain yung income. Wala na yung salary every 15th and 30th.
Oo, ay yung comfort level yun. Oo.
And then, dun sa employment, isa lang yung ginagawa ko, isa lang yung role ko. Pero sa business, ang dami kong naging role. Kasi nga, ang daming kailangang i-fill in na role. So, I'm on top of everything. So, ako na yung nagtitinda, ako pa yung accountant, ako pa yung procurement, lahat na.
Ikaw marketing.
Ako, nagtatanim din ako. So, lahat-lahat na. So, ayun. Pero, ang nakakatuwa naman, I learned a lot. Parang I treat it as ano na lang, learning. I learned every day kung ano yung mga bago. And then, aral ako ng aral ng mga halaman. Dati, napakamahiyain ko. Ayoko sa sales. Buti na lang, na-train din ako ng husband. So, kailan ka matututo? Sabi niya.
So, si husband talaga yung more on sales person?
Oo, magaling siyang mag-sales. Ako naman, mahiyain talaga ako. So, pag may buyer, tatakbo ko sa likod. So, uy, may bumibili. Sabi niya, harapin mo. Hindi ako marunong. ano bang halaman ito? Hindi ko kabisado. Sa dami naman ng halaman. Siyempre, hindi ko naman agad-agad makakabisado kung ano yung halaman tsaka kung magkano. So, nagkakamali ako. To the point na, kailan ko nga ba to malalaman? So, pinasok ko to O sige. So, nag-aral. Nag-addict naman ako mag-aral. Talagang memorize ko lahat ng plans na meron kami. Hanggang sa, naging mas marunong naman ako.
Baka pati scientific name, alam mo na.
Actually, scientific. Pag nagbebenta ako ng plants, scientific name talaga sinasabi ko. Kasi, actually, it's easier. Mahirap lang kabisaduhin yung mga scientific name, no? Pero, it's easier to communicate with scientific name kasi para alam ko kung talagang nagkakaintindihan kami ng buyer. Kasi kapag common name lang ang ginamit, minsan, para-parehas yung mga plants na may common name na gano'n. So,
halimbawa, rose. Ang daming variety ng rose.
So, scientific name agad ako. Tapos natutuwa sa akin yung mga clients. Talaga, very specific. Syempre, ayoko naman na bumili ka ng specific plant. Tapos pagdating sa inyo, hindi naman pala yun yung hinahanap mo.
Kasi yung mga clients mo, online nga umu-order sa'yo. Okay.
And then, sumasali din kami sa mga exhibits dati, sa mga garden show. So, dun mas lalong nahasa. And dun ako nakakita ng mga plants na mga rare na mga expensive. So, doon ako natutong mag-collect ng mga expensive plants.
Ang galing nun, no? Talagang you're very specific and you're very precise and you are the kind of person talaga. Marami kasi umattend ng seminar just for the sake of attending. Pero wala yung application masyado.
Yun. Kailangan yun.
Diba? So, ikaw kasi, parang once you attend something talaga, nandudun ka sa, paano ko to maa-apply?
Yes.
Can you give us some tips? Especially yung viewers natin. Paano mo ma-channel yung energy na, of course, high energy during the seminar, may na-pick up ka, pero pagbalik mo sa bahay, pagbalik mo sa real world na tinatawag natin, how do you do it na na-apply mo siya para talagang mag-boom yung business mo or maiba talaga yung buhay mo?
Do you remember, meron tayong workbook sa MMI? Actually, sobrang galing niya. Kasi 2018, I was depressed. So, meron tayong workbook, may nilalagay doon na yung success list. Before matulog, may success list.
Yes.
So, that time, when I was depressed, hindi ako makabangon sa kama. Sobrang lala ng depression ko. Parang walang meaning yung buhay ko. Dahil doon sa success list na yun, every night, bago ko matulog, naglilista ako ng success list. Wala man akong success because nga maghapon akong nakahiga, no? So, ang nalalagay ko lang is, nahag ko yung anak ko today. Success yun. Sobrang success yun. Nakapagluto ako today. Ay, success yun. Naibangon ko yung sarili ko sa kama. Ay, ang laki success nun. So, nililista ko yun. Sobrang liliit for other people is sobrang liliit, pero sobrang laki nun
for
para sa akin.
somebody going through such hardship.
Yes. And then, nakakatulong siya sa brain actually na hindi na mag-focus sa mga negative things, na bago ka matulog, mayroon kang success na naiwan sa utak mo. So, pagkagising mo, meron kang energy na, may ginawa akong maganda kahapon. So, today, ano naman kaya magandang gagawin ko today? Ano naman kaya yung success na isusulat ko mamaya before ako matulog?
How are you doing it live?
I'm very grateful, no, for all the rock bottom that I've been through. Without that, I'm not who I am today. So, utang ko dun sa mga rock bottom na yon, kung sino ako today, kung paano ako napunta sa personal development trainings, kung paano ako naging matatag, kung paano ako na-develop yung sarili ko, mental strength, yung faith ko, yung courage, and to be authentic. Utang ko lahat yon sa rock bottom ko.
Grabe, ang ganda ng mentality mo, ang ganda ng attitude mo. This is what we call the attitude of gratitude.
Yes.
Okay? And for all our viewers, tandaan nyo po, kahit ano pang problema ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, try to tune in to the space or shift to the gratitude. Can you please share to us, meron ka bang mga life hacks? Kahit one or two, na parang life hacks, when I say life hacks, ito yung mga ginagawa mo on a normal or regular basis until you realize na, oy, ito palang bagay na to, nakakatulong pala ng sobra-sobra sa pag-achieve ko kung ano man yung goal na meron ako sa buhay ko. Meron ka ba?
Okay, madami actually.
Okay.
So, I'll share one or two.
Sige.
Okay, first, I prime myself every day.
When you say prime, yeah.
When I wake up, visualize ko na kung anong mangyayari sa araw ko, and then I do emotional flooding. I nire-remember ko lahat ng mga happy moments, proud moments, sexy moments, fun moments.
I love the sexy moments.
Lahat ng masasayang moments na meron ka, laughters, moments with friends, yun nga, proud moments, you get to stack it para puno ka. Pagkagising mo pa lang, puno ka na ng happy moments.
Yeah.
So, kahit paano dumating sa'yo during the day, kung may konting inis, kung may konting disappointment, ang dami mong puno ka ng happy moments.
Yes.
So, parang sobrang konti na lang nun. So, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-overcome. Second, I observe my thoughts. And I question my thoughts and my beliefs.
Oo.
Kasi we always have inner conversations in our head. We always, para tayong laging may meeting sa sarili natin, di ba? Kahit anong ginagawa natin, kausap natin.
Makulit pa yung sarili natin.
Makulit ang utak natin, no? Kung ano-ano sinasabi sa atin.
Yes.
If you can observe that, ang dami mong matututunan about yourself na, bakit ka may ganyang belief? Ang tagal na ng thoughts na yan kailan pa nangyari yan? Bakit mo bring out today? Makakatulong ba yan sa atin ngayon? Kapag hindi mo siya na-observe kung saan-saan ka mapupunta, kung saan-saan na nakarating yung thoughts
Dark
mo.
web na yung pinasok mo pala. No?
Yes, so it's very important to observe our thoughts.
So last question ko na lang for you, Lai. Kasi the show is all about your passion. And narinig naman natin, nakikita naman talaga namin what you are so passionate about. So I want to ask you about your fashion. And when I say fashion, once again, hindi ito yung naghahanap ako na kailangan fashionista ka, na branded lagi yung mga suot. What I always meant, parang how are you showing up? Why is it so, like right now, talaga nang dumating ka dito, pagdating mo pa lang kanina, akala ko yun na nga yung suot mo kasi nakaayos ka na eh. So paano nakakatulong sa'yo that you are showing up with your best self na ayos ka na, yung damit mo, yung itsura mo, and everything?
Ako, I prefer functional clothes, no? I'm not really into fashion. Kung ano yung comfortable yung sinusuot ko. But I always make it a point na everyday, what I will wear is my best version of myself.
I love that.
Yun.
Kayo po mga dear viewers namin, sobrang hook na po kayo sa conversation na to, right? Kasi napaka-enjoyable. At ang dami po talaga natin natutunan kay Lai today. So, Lai, do you have any last message or anything na gusto mong iiwan sa mga viewers natin today?
Ko? Ayun. Siguro in 6 months, my book will be out. Ay, super excited ako. Super
in 6
excited
months,
ako. It's about my story and about personal development. It's tentative yung title ko, but it's about from depression into transformation.
Ang ganda.
How to break through and break free.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, marami nangangailangan ng ganyan. Yung minsan nga sasabihin natin, parang they're talking about the same thing, but the truth is, you will always have your own audience. There would be people na magre-resonate sa'yo And so, you're going to serve a lot pa rin. And congratulations in advance. Author ka na para sa akin. So, I can't wait na magpa-autograph sa libro mo.
Ang tagal ko na actually yung dream na sinabi ko na gagawin ko. Pero ngayon lang talaga ako nag-commit. Yeah.
Congratulations and thank you once again for being part of the show. So kayo, our dear viewers, ano po ba yung naging favorite niyo out of this conversation with Lai? I'm sure you got empowered today. But of course, in the end, hindi lang naman po all about empowerment yung show natin. We really hope na na-inspire din po kayo to take action, right? So, for today's episode, we want to thank our beneficiary, Bahay Pangarap Women's Foundation, Inc. Maraming salamat pong muli for allowing us to support your cause. Also, we want to thank all our sponsors.
Joanna Marie would like to thank the following: Loris Enterprises, Sardos Garden, Land's Hair and Makeup Studio, Mabuhay PH Digital Network.
And you, our dear viewers, we want to thank you for spending your quality time with us and also for tuning in with this conversation with the one and only fantabulous Laili Ann Mojico, the CEO of Sardos Garden. We look forward to seeing you once again for another episode of A Journey with Joanna Marie. Always remember, you are fantabulously and beautifully created for a purpose. Ano man ang state na meron ka right now, always remember, everything is happening for your greater good. Alright? So always smile and we'll see you next week. Bye!
Bye!